History has returned, reborn in the most elegant way possible. This is the 2026 Cadillac Series 355X, a masterpiece that fuses 1930s Art Deco heritage with modern luxury engineering, setting a new benchmark for neoclassic design. The front end of the 2026 Cadillac Series 355X is a majestic reinterpretation of Cadillac's golden era. The massive upright grille remains faithful to the original 1934 Series 355, adorned with Cadillac's classic crest at its center. Modernity meets nostalgia with dual LED projector headlights housed in circular chrome bezels, echoing the past, but shining with future-grade precision. Chrome bumpers, air vents, and subtle red pinstripes finish off the face with pure grandeur. The side profile is where the Cadillac 355X truly commands attention. Long, sweeping fenders flow seamlessly into a coupe bodyline that exudes authority. The proportions are unmistakably classic: a long hood, compact cabin, and gracefully tapered rear. Yet beneath that nostalgia lies modern performance: massive, low-profile tires on 20-inch forged wheels, red Brembo brakes, and adaptive suspension for a perfectly balanced ride. From every angle, it's both a time capsule and a technical marvel. At the back, Cadillac has crafted a stunning fusion of vintage opulence and modern athleticism. The iconic rear-mounted spare tire remains, encased in a chrome-trimmed cover with Cadillac's emblem proudly displayed. Sleek, vertical LED taillights stretch along the fenders, seamlessly blending old-world craftsmanship with futuristic light technology. Dual chrome exhausts integrated into the bumper complete the look: classic elegance, redefined for the 21st century. Inside, the 2026 Cadillac Series 355X is a masterpiece of contrast, timeless form meeting cutting-edge function. The dashboard flows across with a panoramic OLED display, proudly showcasing the Cadillac script in illuminated cursive. Every surface is wrapped in hand-stitched premium leather and accented with ambient lighting that recalls the deep burgundy of the exterior. The crystal gear selector, digital command dial, and intuitive driver interface create an atmosphere that feels both royal and futuristic. It's not just a cabin, it's a private lounge on wheels. Underneath its handcrafted shell lies the heart of modern performance. The 2026 Cadillac Series 355X is powered by a 6.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8, delivering 680 horsepower, paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour? Just 3.8 seconds. Lightning fast for a car with this level of refinement. And with adaptive magnetic suspension, the ride glides effortlessly between boulevard comfort and performance precision. The 2026 Cadillac Series 355X is expected to launch in early 2026 with a starting price around $450,000, placing it firmly in the realm of handcrafted collector vehicles. Each unit will be limited in production, making it one of the most exclusive modern reinterpretations in Cadillac's storied history. The 2026 Cadillac Series 355X isn't just a car. It's a bridge between eras, a rolling sculpture that honors Cadillac's heritage while redefining luxury for a new generation. From its Art Deco soul to its futuristic spirit, this is Cadillac Reborn.